Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Messages in your PC. Firstly first I want you to make sure that you have the Google Messages app on your phone, and also I want you to make sure again that your app Google Messages is well set up. So then after that, when you are sure that everything is clear and everything is okay, I want you to follow my steps till the end. So here I want you to open up your browser and go to the search bar and type messages. That's Google. .com. Okay, and right here I want you to go to scroll down a little bit and go into the second option right here, messages for web. So click on it, and alright, here I will see this QR code. It says on your phone open Google Messages and then tap the profile circle above your conversation list and select device pairing, and also after that you need to tap QR code scanner and scan the code on this device. So I will show you step by step how to do that. So guys, by going to Google Messages on your phone, I want you to go into this profile picture on the top right side, tap on it, and right here I want you to go into the device pairing, tap on it and tap on how to pair that one, and it will be visible to us. That's option that we can get through our Google Messages and PC. So it's below, switch to QR pairing, tap on it, and right here tap on QR code scanner, that one on the blue or in the blue color, tap on it and then scan the QR code. So guys, we are on, or we can now use our Google Messages and PC. So that's how it's so easy. As I told you, is it's similar to Telegram and WhatsApp. Don't forget guys to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.